Insurance has been called the grease that lubricates the global economy. GAPro spreads the grease on the friction of insurance information, making it available to anyone, anywhere, anytime. As policies are produced or updated, coverage, form, status, and other information needs to be distributed throughout the insurance data sharing ecosystem, including carriers, broker agents, insureds, and third parties. Today there are significant expense, errors, manual procedures, and problems in producing a form-driven data exchange through a certificate proof of insurance. Additionally, data is locked and unavailable for further evaluation and compliance verification. Both paper and digital forms are equally yoked with these problems and costs. GAPro replaces this convoluted, expensive, and wildly error-prone process with a new digital platform as a service ecosystem driven by data. GAPro's collaborative information sharing approach collects and verifies insurance information from throughout the industry. GAPro then notifies appropriate parties of potential accuracy and compliance irregularities. GAPro is built on a global insurance platform as a service solution, addressing multilingual, multi-currency insurance confirmation and compliance verification. GAPro brings value to all stakeholders through instant and accurate information access, dramatically lower costs, and returning significant time and dollar savings all around. GAPro's access touchpoints include any internet-enabled device, desktop, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. While the North America marketplace for GAPro is significant across all lines of insurance, let me rifle in on three specifics. First, 2.8 million new home mortgages worth $637 billion were issued last year. Second, there are 5.6 million commercial buildings. Third, there are 28.8 million commercial vehicles. Each one will require multiple proof of insurance and compliance verification annually. GAPro's business model is based on a subscription paradigm where everyone pays a little to replace the extensive current costs, errors, and inaccessible data, replacing it with a valuable data sharing model. Here's one example. With about 2 million insurance agent brokers in North America, GAPro anticipates approximately $50 to $60 million of annual revenue within the E&O marketplace alone. Since the GAPro model is extensible to all kinds of insurance, deploying each additional line of business will require only minor software changes while generating significant revenue. GAPro's management team is led by its founder and CEO, Herb Gibson, a former commercial lines agent. Rather than continuing the costly manual process of generating, sending, and correcting certificates, Herb said there must be a better way, and the GAPro vision was born. Chet Gladkowski, Chief Marketing and Information Officer, brings 40-plus years of insurance technology and standards experience at carriers, agent brokers, software vendors, and industry organizations. GAPro spreads the grease on the friction of insurance information, making it available to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Thank you.